mistakes into a new display. Every picture is fun to do, and every artist just like me and you. Let's make some art. Hip hip hooray!